If you already have data stored in Excel and want to bring it into Jotform Tables, here's how to do it quickly and seamlessly. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Jotform website. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. It only takes a moment. Once inside your dashboard, navigate to My Tables. This is where all your data tables are stored and managed. To import Excel data, click Create Table and select Import Data. If you prefer to add your Excel data into an existing table, open that table instead, click New tab, then choose Tables, followed by Import Data. This way, you can merge data without starting from scratch. Now, click Upload File and select your Excel or CSV file from your computer. Make sure it's in XLS, XLSX or CSV format. These are the ones Jotform supports. Before continuing, check the box that says your first row contains column names. This helps Jotform automatically match your Excel headers with the right table fields, saving you from manual corrections later. Take a moment to review the detected column types. Jotform tries to guess whether each column is text, number, or date. Adjust them if needed to ensure everything aligns correctly. Once everything looks right, click Import Data or Create if it's a new table. Jotform will upload and organize your Excel data instantly. And that's it. Your spreadsheet is now integrated into Jotform Tables, ready to edit, sort, and manage just like any other form data. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Jotform tutorials.